all of you. Today we are here for attending yoga session. We will start our new session with performing some yoga activities, some standing asan, some sitting asan and some lying asan. Today I will choose some asan which are beneficial for all of us, including teachers, students, because nowadays we are facing a major problem of obesity. The excessive fat comes on your body because we are in lockdown phase. We are not having proper rights to move outside from our home, and we are not health conscious as much we want to be. So today we will do some yoga asanas to treat obesity, including Tadasan, Paschimottanasana, Vakrasan, Vajrasan, Trikonasana. So first we will start with lying asan, that is Bhujangasana. We will start Bhujangasana by lying in prone position. Prone position means this position is your prone position. Now you will have to move your hands. Keep your hands in between inside of your shoulders. Slightly bear the weight on your hands of your body and move in upward direction. And you have to see the sky as much as you can. Stretch your body. Relax. This is our first asan, Bhujangasana. Now we will do Vajrasan. For Vajrasan, performing Vajrasan, we have to fold your legs. This asan is good for your digestion. I request you everyone to please perform this asan after your breakfast, after your lunch or dinner. It helps in your improving your digestion, and it will give you relief from constipation or gastric problems. Your legs should be folded, hands on your thigh, and you have to move, sit straight. You can maintain this pose as much as you can. It gives strength to your core muscles of your legs like glutes, calves, thigh, ankles. Relax. Now we will performing Vakrasana. It helps in developing your abdomen portion and your back. You have to perform easily, like one leg cross, one hand should be move his side and stretch your body. Relax. Now we will perform Paschimottanasana. Your legs should be straight, your hands on ground. Slightly elevate your hands, move in upward direction and hold your legs, your leg thumbs, and try to look down as much as you can. Relax. Don't perform any asan with jerk. All asans you need to perform smoothly. Now standing asan, that is Tadasan. For Tadasan, you have to sit. You have to stand straight. Move your hands in upward direction. Lock the hands like this and stretch as much as you can. You have to hold this posture for minimum 15 to 20 seconds. But if you are having good leg strength, you can stretch it to 1 minute. Relax. So these are the 4-5 asanas we did today to treat our body from obesity, to prevent our body from obesity, to be fit, healthy. Every day you need to perform it at your home, because by performing one day you will never get lean muscle body or you will be fit. You have to do it regularly. Thank you guys.